Okay, guys, nice to see you again. And let's start. Okay. Hello, everyone. I am Nora. It's very excited to host this crypto market insights session with our guest. Today, we are thrilled to have with us our guest who will be sharing their opinions on the market trends. As the host of today's discussion, I will be leading us through a thought provoking conversation that promises to be both informative and engaging. So, whether you are an experienced crypto user or just getting started, we encourage you to sit back, relax, and join us for what is sure to be an enlightening discussion on this week's market performance, trends, and hotspots. The live session is broadcasting on CoinW Live channel and CoinW's YouTube channel simultaneously. Welcome all to watch and leave your opinions or questions about market, coin, etc. in the comment. Our guest will pick up some to answer. And let's go and welcome our guest to our live session. We are thrilled to have you here with us today. And in this part, we would like our guest to share your market insights on BTC, ETH, and other crypto tokens you want to talk about. Please be free to share the screen to let us watch your charts. Okay? And first, we invite Priya. Yeah, Priya, hey, nice to meet you.
Hi, Nora.
Okay, hi. Okay,
Yes,
it's
I'm
your
glad.
time.
Yeah, thank you. So, most probably after a long time, I'm getting into the live. So, hi everyone. So, I would like to talk about the Ethereum because it was given a dramatic increase in a recent time, and currently we are seeing that Ethereum was getting some more selling pressure. Not only with the Ethereum, we are also seeing the same selling pressure happening in other altcoins also, and that is could be the reason why the Genius Act so which is banning the yields on regulated stable coins, which is also believed to be leading investors to move into the Ethereum for ETH generation in a decentralized finance, and that is the reason why we got a little more pump. And also, this is an expectation of the altcoin season. And current market sentiment is because of that, because on a July 18th we got that Genius Act. So I hope so. So because of that, we are facing some more sideways, and some more pump is also stopped after that, and it's a kind of a thing which we are seeing liquidation was happening because everyone took a long, and this major loss is also happening for many traders and investors because this is a kind of a position we are getting such a bigger liquidity, and you can also see with the Ethereum. So still the sign from the Ishimoku cloud is to be positive, and yes, we are expecting Ethereum to react much positive, but it will take a little more time to get settled, and again it's a market correction we are seeing. And one more coin I would like to show you is this a bond, because is of course it is closer to its all-time high, and yeah, that is all-time high is the most important. Everyone is waiting for, and
Priya, hey, can you hear my voice?
so I think it's
Okay, it's good now.
yeah.
Okay, okay.
Uh, am I audible? Yes, I'm audible. Okay, you can see the difference. You can see the all-time high for the bank in current position. So it's going to soon break this all-time high, and I'm really focusing on that. bonk rather than any meme coins, even though doggy closer to everyone because it's a to a all-time high. So market is gonna react very well for that. We have to wait for a few more days, or even up to August month. We have to wait for the bigger bull run. So that is what my prediction from this. Thank you.
Okay, that's great. Thank you for Priya and thank you for sharing. And next one, we invite Jay. Yeah, Jay, nice to see you again.
Hello, Nora. Apologize, Nora. Can you ask me last because I'm setting my TikTok account right now
Okay,
to
okay,
broadcast
sure.
this live. Thank you.
Okay. Well, so next we invite Parasophine. Yeah. Hey, nice to see you again.
Hi Laura, nice to have you here. Can you hear
Hello.
me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm just quickly going to share my phone. I really don't have much on the market this week, but let's see this thing. Okay, so we have it here. All right, so just like the last live that we had, I spoke about Bitcoin getting all the way to 120, and indeed it got there around got there on the 22nd of July. Yeah, got there on 22nd of July. So currently the market is bearish, I think, because of the recent news that just got released. But nevertheless, Bitcoin is still, increasing, and obviously it's still going to, soar higher than this current price that it is. We're looking forward to it, getting all the way to 125 before this month. Looking forward to getting to 125 this month. So nothing really on the market. It's still the same thing from last week. Not really moving so fast like we expected it to. Talking about people, I don't know if you can remember in the last live, I also said people was going to retrace all the way. It increased during the surge of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin went all the way to 120, people increased to 0.03, and currently, has gone back down to 0.019. If you had known people from the last few years, people was supposed to be a token that would do significantly well, but don't know where what went wrong on this particular coin. It just dropped because I can remember sometimes last year it went all the way high up onto 0.7, and in fact, I made like a spot trade on it. I got it when it was in 0.6, and then expecting it to go all the way high up onto 0.8. But I don't know what went wrong on the coin. It depreciated, and since then it has not really, been doing well so far. Okay, so we're going to talk about OP2. We're going to talk about OP. Nothing really much on the market today. The market is bearish. It has been this week. So nothing really fascinating happening. The coin are not moving as fast as we expected them to do, and that's basically the coins that I've been checking out. I've been checking out Bitcoin, People, Optimism, and Ethereum too. So that's basically what I have on the market today.
Okay, great. Thank you for Parasophine. And next one, we welcome Josephine. Hey, hey, Josephine.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Hey, yeah, yeah. Okay.
All right, thank you. I appreciate. So real quick, I'm going to be sharing my screen and let me see. Just hold on, guys. Okay, okay. Let me just share the entire screen. Alright. Alright. I don't know if can you see my screen now. Basically, I'm just watching two assets majorly. All right. So at the moment, if you can see what I said last week, it's literally what it's already happening. I think even Jeff said so. Okay. So Bitcoin has it's at this point it's literally ranging. If you check on the 1 hour, right? If you check on the 1 hour, we are just ranging continuously within this area, within this zone. Okay, so for the moment, I'm still expecting Bitcoin hopefully to probably drop down from this point, retest this level, and mostly probably drop down into this zone. All right, this zone of 113, 112 there about there's a demand zone at that level, then it might push upward. But for now, I'm still just scalping little opportunity in this ranging zone right away. So it's just that basic. Okay. So having said that, also I'm just watching at Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum has actually given us entry into this supply that I marked out that last time, and we can see some basic rejection happening there. And if you check on the 4 hour, right, we are seeing that okay, the market didn't just jump up. Okay, the market is already tapped this supply and literally looks like it's had actually even broken the supply, but it's retested the middle level here. Where I placed my this thing here is the Fibonacci Fib level for probably a continuous entrance for a buy, but I'm still gonna watch the market to see because I want to see Bitcoin drop, so I wouldn't want to take any aggressive buy on Ethereum right now, though the momentum for buy is still strong. It's still strong in the market, but still, I would want to watch out to see what play out on Bitcoin before taking any other trade. So I took a major sell on TRB. Maybe I'll just check it. TRB, right? I took a sell TRB yesterday, and it's basically dropped like so rapidly. Okay, we got some major sell that happened on TRB. Okay, cut this cell from 44. I called the signal and it's literally dropped. And just because I know that okay, if BTC is going to retrace, because at the point it literally hit the top, all right, for the ranging box, and I knew it was going to drop a little bit. So we were able to get an entrance at this level. All right, so I'm expecting it to probably still let me bring this down. All right, so I'm expecting it to still um we push a bit up and then probably drop down again, right? But meanwhile, if you check these charts here, we'll see that we already have some rejection around this level. So most probably the market might decide to push from there, all right? I think that's just my view for the market as of the moment. I'm still waiting for Bitcoin to push to the upside, then get some good entry from 119 thereabouts, then sell to the downside. Yeah, I think that's just what I have from my end for today.
Okay, great. Thank you for Josephine. And last one, we welcome Jay. Yeah. Hey Jay, it's your time now.
Yeah, what up? What up? I'm ready. All right. So, I hope everyone can hear me. Hold on.
So yeah, we can hear you.
Check sound, check sound, check sound.
Okay.
No. Wait, because I'm also broadcasting this on my own TikTok too. So
Okay.
apologize for that. Okay. I think. All right. So let me share my screen. Give me a sec. Oh shit, not that one. My bad. Uh, window StreamYard. I think I'm just gonna Oh, wait. Okay, this one. Okay. Okay. Can you guys see my screen in here?
Yeah.
Yeah. The trading view. Can see it.
Yeah, we can see.
Okay. Couldn't capture because it has been closed. No, wait. Hold on. What the what the fuck? Okay. I'm just gonna. Okay. I hope the people on TikTok can see this. Sorry guys. What up, QuinnW, and what up, QuinnW's from TikTok. So, and today, I really expecting dominance to get retracing to the upside. Okay, so I've been telling my family members like we might come for the 50 or the 200 EMA, and we're just gonna wait for the death cross, the fucking death cross. So if that happens, fuck guys, market is going to be like party, everything is money. Like you just close your eyes, just pick some stupid coin, you can make money. But right now, little bit little bit roadblock because right now we got too much drop on Bitcoin dominance. And if you can see here, look at the RSI is super fucking oversold. So the best thing is to retest the 50 zone or more into the overbought zone. But right now, nah, guys. So that's why I'm expecting in this new moons also. Today is new moon, guys. It's a moon phase. And oh, holy shit, my I'm sorry, it's kind of laggy because I'm fucking broadcasting on two side. Apologize, guys. But for the new moon, as you guys can see here, on the new moon side, and we got we might get the local bottom or the local top. But right now, I still kind of not sure because if tomorrow we can close it price higher than this is it BTC, yeah. If can, so that means it can continue. But if not, if let's say today is red, tomorrow is red, so that means we're gonna continue until actually I already got the date, maybe Monday or maybe the August 8th of August. But why? Because if you guys see here, ETH and BTC is overextended. So let's go for the ETH. Today I'm not gonna talk about stupid altcoin, but for next time because everything is kind of red right now. It's kind of red. And look at it, 8 9 straight, back to back in row in green. So a little bit red. 1 until a week is still healthy. I'm still bullish. I know I'm shorting right now. I'm shorting on my trading account. I'm shorting in here. I'm shorting it. Shorting like BTC, but it's kind of hard because the price try to fighting the short because yeah, as you guys know, it's still bullish. It's still out season. But why Jay shorting? But because I'm shorting just to get some retracement. That's it. But my position, everything is long, swing long. But when I know it's time to out my short, I'm gonna add more longs. So that mean it. I already got some price like it's probably around 3,300, 3,100, or even below here because it still got factors. But it's kind of hard because we got the major support right here daily and for 4 hours. So as low as 3,300, 3,400, or 3,1, I don't know. Let's see how the price action is going to be. But right now, everything's still kind of bullish, just a natural bearish right now. So natural bearish, that means just a little bit retracement. And how about BTC? BTC and hello. I'm gonna use CME for the BTC. Give me a sec. Okay, this is the CME. All right, as I predict last time. Okay, I think 3 months ago on in this side coin market inside. I think episode 75 or 730. I forgot. Oh, it was last month. It was June. I was telling around here, new moon, we might go up. And last time I also saying we might go down too. But the probability is going up, and it's more higher. It's going to going up. But right now, what happened after the full moon target hit? So same shit, guys. We need retracement on BTC. We need one. We got CME gaps around here. So CME gaps around 114, 116, and we got below here, which is still possible. We might come to visit 103, 104. Still possible, but who? But let's see, because the market is not gonna playing around like last time. I mean, like slow bleed and take dip, but I think this time it's gonna be like uh, a fast a fast split, like like a god candle and then like wick up again. So because the market is running out of the time, guys, running out of time, because uh, arts need to catch up. Some arts, some shit coin, even like everything need to catch up. So that's why uh, all I can see, this retracement might come as fast, maybe like a day or two, or even like a week, or even until like Friday or 8th of August. But let's see if we can get a lower low in here. Sorry, probably higher low. If we can get a higher low, so and then I confirm with the next candle green, like Barbosu or close above it, that means it's your cue to enter the fucking market. And until then, it's still kind of choppy, guys. It's still kind of choppy. And if that happen, you have to prepare. Like there is some coin that still kind of nifty like this, like we got Siak Conflux. Hold on. Fuck, I opening I opened too much. Sorry. So I'm gonna open Complex. So some coins won't retrace at all. They're just gonna like flat making a base, but some coin they're just gonna do like a higher low. So if they do a higher low, just think like that was a elite wave, maybe like first wave, second wave. But the good thing, some coin not going to retrace like this one, like this fucking conflux. So if you see this kind of thing, you have to pay attention, because when the market bounce, when it bounce, this coin is the one that going to hit the top first. I mean, like to blow up top first, because when the market pull back, they just chill. They're just doing nothing. They just don't want to go back. So like conflux, because no conflux. This is China coin. One of my spot coin, because I'm also China, guys. I'm also Chinese, so I'm support fucking Chinese coin. So yeah, Conflux is gonna ripping. So for me, Conflux is gonna easy to get five 5 cent, or even like 8, or even like $1. I already got the target for this one, but for me it's very easy to get 5 cents, or even 8 cent, 8 cent. But the moon, after this thing is break, so that will be like a one. That will be a one, because if you see, I'm gonna use 2 weeks candle here. All right, and then you put here. I'm gonna
Yeah, yeah,
drag it up.
yeah, yeah, I'm here. Okay,
Like,
so let's go.
yeah, what up?
Okay, okay.
Can I continue? I mean, like, oh,
Yeah, sure. You can continue. Do you want?
oh, no, no, no. Okay, you want to pass to someone? Okay, that's okay. That's okay. Sure, sure.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Well, so thank you for Jay, and okay, so let's move on the next part. We would like our guest to share your market insights, and now I would like to share my screen and let you watch the questions. Okay. Okay. Well, the first one is ETH's rapid surge has drawn attention from the market, but is this the beginning of another growth cycle or just a short-term speculative play? Yeah, for this question, and is there anyone who wanna talk about?
Yeah. Shall
Okay.
I?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. Yes, so this is not a short-term speculative play, I hope, because we all waited for this Ethereum to pump instead of Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin dominance need to reduce because we all wanted the altcoin season, and this time is in this month itself, July itself, it has started, and it is expected to give a rapid surge in upcoming days. Also, you're gonna see the bigger, massive changes towards Ethereum. It's not gonna stop in between 8K or 10K. I think more than that also it is expected in this all season because rapidly many investment that is institutional investment is also higher into this Ethereum. For the long term growth, it has a bigger potential with the Ethereum for this long term surge, which we are waiting for. And the most expected on August itself, it is trying to reach some more bigger movements. So Ethereum is being in a early stages, and we have to wait for the long-term growth cycle. And many upgrades is also already done, and ongoing layer two developments is also happening. And what are the projects which comes under the development with the layer two that is also expected to give a bigger growth in this time period. So this is not a short-term pump, and we have to wait for the rapid growth, more growth towards Ethereum.
Okay, great. Thank you for Priya. And is there anyone who wanna try? Okay, let's welcome Josephine. Yeah, we want to hear about your opinions.
All right. The thing is here, like I said, even in the previous analysis, I'm expecting Ethereum to really give a major play this bull run, all right? And we are, for me, I'm just feeling like we are having the first phase of the impulsive move, right? Which had actually has fulfilled my first order desires, right? And that shows that Ethereum is literally ready for a rapid surge, right? Now, for me, it's not just for a good cycle. Now, Ethereum has a lot of activities, riding on its network as of the moment. So for me, I'm not going to be viewing it as a short speculative play, but it has a long a growth cycle because from what is coming now, if BTC is going to break probably towards 150K, all right, I'm expecting Ethereum to do if not double. All right, that's just my own. You are encouraged to do your own research, but from what I'm seeing so far and the momentum that it's happening and the interplay on the network, I'm expecting this to really be a rapid push for Ethereum network this time around. All right, I think that's just my opinion on that.
Okay, got it. Well, and Parasify, do you want to share something?
Alright, so as we all know that anytime that Bitcoin rises, all other coins are, expected to also increase um, during that period. So I would not say it is, increasing too fast. So I would not say it is a short-term speculative phase because, you know, can you hear me?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I would not say it's a short term speculative because we have a lot of people that are investing in this particular coin. The big people that are investing in Bitcoin and other altcoins. So the fact that they are investing in this coin means that it has the potential to increase rapidly. Once the market is bullish, and just like the Bitcoin, there's growing excitement about how Ethereum can possibly increase moving forward. So I would not say it's a short speculative term. So that's what I have to say. on that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for participation. And last one, we invite Jay to share your opinions. Yeah. Hey Jay, you there? Okay. Maybe Jay is busy now. Let's move on the next question. Well, as ETH relies key tokens within the Ethereum ecosystem like ENA, LDO, and CRV are also showing strong performance. For investors, the question is, should you focus on ETH itself or shift towards these ecosystem tokens, which path is more likely to deliver higher returns? And for this question, let's first hear from, okay, Josephine. Yeah.
Yeah, this question is very intriguing in the sense that I don't know, I'm becoming a lover of Ethereum network, and it's quite impressive but that a lot of projects, even Jay also is a lover of Ethereum network. So it's beautiful, yeah, because now the thing is, I've got some NR and LDO, and also for me, yeah, the thing is, if you really want to get very exponential return, I would say you should focus, of course, on the Ethereum. Investors should focus on Ethereum ecosystem. You understand? Yeah, you're gonna get a very good result. That it's not promising, but just based on my speculation, you're gonna get some good results. All right. Now, as we have the bullish rally that's happening on Ethereum, of course, a lot of them as of last week. Yeah, okay. The past of last week, yeah, we got some majority of this token broken their daily highs, some 4 hours highs, right? Which is a very good invitation for investors that would want to put their money in something solid. Like also we know that a lot of layer two projects and real world asset token are on Ethereum blockchain. And as of the moment, I'm of the opinion that having a very good return this time around is just to focus on Ethereum ecosystem. But for a longer trader, like those that want to stay, all right, that want to stay for very long time, it's okay. Ethereum is still, for me, Ethereum is still at a very good rate and where anybody can still want to participate. Now, like I said last case, Ethereum has not taken the previous all-time high yet, like BTC. So still yet, if you do want to leverage on it, but it would have been better if you did that last week, right? But still, if you want to spot trade Ethereum, fair enough, you good want to take some position, all right? But still yet, do your due diligence, okay? But for me, Ethereum network is actually becoming very exciting with what is going on with Ethereum and what the network stand to represent so far. So that's that for me. And it's actually an amazing project. I love it. LDO also. All right. Just those are the basic tips from me from my end. Yeah.
Okay, thank you for Josephine. And may I add a small question? Well, my question is, Josephine, do you have any ETH ecosystem coin you are very optimistic about? Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Yeah, quite a number of them, right? Quite a number of them. Okay,
Mhm.
but as of the moment, I'm still very big on ENA, all right? ENA is solid, okay? ENA is solid, and LDO is also a solid project, right? It's a solid project because I remember when ENA launched had their launch pool on major exchanges like Binance and other exchanges. I was part of the content creator that promoted them, and also I haven't gone through their white paper, and they are consistently building. I feel it's solid for the moment. Okay. Also, Nairo 8 is actually one I'm also positive about. All right, I just added some portions. I think about two couple of months ago to my sports background. Hopefully, I'm expecting a very good ride this time around. I'm just being speculative and being optimistic anyway. So that's just my counsel.
Okay, got it. Thank you for Josephine. Okay, Persephone, it's your turn. Yeah. Hello.
Okay. So like you all know, Ethereum is. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Can you hear me? Yeah, yeah. So as we all know, Ethereum is going high. Obviously, smaller tokens that are just coming in would want to like build their ecosystem around it. And for the question that you asked, Joseph, I am very optimistic about Lido Dio, that's the LDO. So basically, Lido powers liquid staking on Ethereum. Which means that people can stake their Ethereum to earn rewards. Without locking it up. With Ethereum, now gaining now running on proof of stake, users are actually choosing to stake, and Lido, which is liquid staking, has become the largest staking provider. And as Ethereum staking grows, so as Lido Dio demand services grow too. So that directly benefits LDO. And back to so that's one of the ecosystem that I'm optimistic about. All right. So back to the Ethereum question of the key tokens within Ethereum ecosystem. Okay. So even like it's only Ethereum that is getting the attention right now. There are other coins, other tokens that are building its ecosystem around it that also getting connection. So Ethereum is more like the foundation. It is a stable coin, almost everybody knows that. It is less risky, and it moves slower, but also you can see with this past few weeks we can see that Ethereum is not moving as fast as other coins, but it is going steadily. So it's not like it moves slower, but steadily. You can see changes in Ethereum in the past few weeks. Not like it's just going all the way high all of a sudden, but it's going suddenly. So that's all, and that's what I have on the ecosystem too that I'm optimistic about. So you can also do more research on the LDO. That's the little diary. You can also do more research on it, so you can find more about it. So that's it. And adding to that, if Ethereum continues rising, obviously the tokens that are using it as a point of foundation could also outperform Ethereum. So that's basically what I have on that question.
Okay, thank you for clarifying. Well, personally, I have a small question also. Well, maybe would you buy some of the ETH ecosystem coins for you? Hello,
Oh yes,
Parasify.
definitely. I'd love to. Yeah, can you hear me? I'm so
Yes,
sorry. I have like a bit of network issue, but can you hear me now?
oh, yes, now.
Can you hear me? Okay. So definitely I would love to invest in this coins, but obviously before I'm making my research on the LDO, so before investing, I'd always tell people to always make research on any coin or token that they are or ecosystem they are about to like invest in, and then once I'm done with my research and I teach it to other of my people that are very good at cryptocurrency, and then I definitely want to invest in the Lido ecosystem. But it's very important to make your research first on it.
Okay. Okay, thank you for clarifying. And next one, yeah, Preya, can you share your opinions?
Yes, of course. Yes. So for the investors, we don't want to talk about the whales or somebody who are like investing bigger, but the normal investors, I would like to recommend. It's a recommendation in the kind of to be safer in this time period with the other coins, which because during the Ethereum rallies, we are seeing the other coins are also reacting strong performance. We are seeing even though the reaction which we are seeing with the other coins, it's there is a reason behind this. So those coins like ENA, so some more tokens, those why the ENA thus those are gaining a higher moment is because of it comes under adoption and stability of USD. Okay, so this is a kind, we can say, after the Genius Act, which is a new regulation on the US. So that is how we are seeing this specific considerations on those tokens, even though Ethereum is the more top second in a crypto, right? So which is different. And the ecosystem with the Ethereum ecosystem, those are actually different. But for this all season, we can uh, get us a short term profit on this. If you ask me whether I'm gonna buy it or not. Of course, I will not keep on invest in this time period because already it was performing well. And for the investors, they wanted to get the higher quantity. No, also for getting a higher quantity, this is not might be preferable. But who are invested already, they can hold it for a long term period. That may so good in this strong bull market with the high speculative forever, and these ecosystem tokens with a smaller market cap, even it has a strong narratives because it is not only DNA, other which is emerging layer 2 tokens that can also outpace Ethereum in a percentage gains due to their higher beta and lower starting valuations too. So we have more probability for this to pump in this upcoming all season. So it has an hope, but if the price is already in a bigger value, I won't recommend to go focus on this. And we also have the other coins to focus. It's for the very lesser investors who hold it for a long term. That most probably I will focus on the other coins for this all season.
Okay, thank you for Priya. And also, I would like to ask, yeah, do you have any ETH ecosystem coin you are really like? Yeah,
Will you repeat it?
I mean, is there any ETH ecosystem coin you really like?
Um, yes, everything during this all season we have to get into focus on this Ethereum ecosystem coins. But there is no specific coins I like on this because my focus is full of to the other coins which has already been in a market for more than 4 to 5 years, which I'm still focusing on those. And Ethereum ecosystem coins, still I don't have any holdings on those. So even though I don't have any specifications on this.
Okay, great. Thank you for your sharing. And Jay, do you free?
Yo, yeah.
Oh,
Sorry about that.
yeah, now. Okay, okay.
Sup?
Yeah, yeah. The question is for you now.
Mm, I love this coin, all of it, except CRP. That's it. Except CRP. It ecosystem will perform first, and the other will perform last. So since last time I've been here, I've been talking about it is going to perform. The ecosystem is going to perform. So just choose the good project like Ina Lido. Yeah, those good. Ina, I got lean. But Ina is not one of my spot, but I love to do features on Ina. But Lido is one of my strongest back on my spot. So there you go. Lido is kind of different with the others because you can borrow and lending money and you can stacking there, stacking platform, lending platform, and I think in this kind of environment with the bull market is back and the artisan is back. So the coin like Lido is going to perform. Look at Aave because because in crypto we got so many regions, guys. We got so many regions, and when they do region stuff, let's say they bought some it, and then they put it on Lido. They borrowing it. They put on Lido as collateral, and then they got USDT and buy more coins. So a lot of fucking region in this ecosystem. So Lido, I think it's going to perform like crazy. when the it is going to when it going to pump for the next leg. So Lido is going to pump, but for CRV, okay, but the project is not. It's not delivered. The project is not delivered. I mean, like the dev promised this, promised that, but there is no update, guys. So I don't think you guys should buy CRV. CRV sucks. There's a lot of things that better than CRV, like Arbitrum. Just I prefer Arbitrum than CRV, but Ina is still new and nah. But for trade, good. For invest, no. So that's my answer. Thank you.
Okay, great. Thank you for Jay. And let's move on. The next question. Okay. Well, last week. Okay, I really love this question. We saw that an ancient Bitcoin whale, dormant for a full 14 years, suddenly started moving over 80,000 BTC, facing such a massive potential sale pressure. What risk management strategies would you consider? And well, would you watch and wait, exist your positions, or hold on? Well, and for these questions, well, guys, let's guess who this guys is. Jay, do you have any idea?
I think it's Sailor, isn't it? I don't read news that much, but I think this kind of thing, I think it's Sailor. Am I right?
Sailor.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, we all don't know. Yeah.
I don't know because I don't read news that much, but all I do is price action. That's why I stay away from stupid news because news tend to confuse you guys. Because news is always come late. So, but this is good. But guys, uh, full 14 years suddenly start moving over 80,000 BTC. But yes, you should worry because like I told you guys, we don't have much time. Maybe like 3 months, 4 month tops, and after that, goodbye. After that, I'm gonna quit from crypto, going to Hawaii holiday. But right now, just don't be scared, guys. I mean, like even it is not performing yet. It is not 6,000 yet. It's like if it not 6,000, I'm gonna retire, Nora. I'm gonna quit crypto. I'm gonna retire. I'm gonna say goodbye to CoinW if it not 6K. So that's my bet. But right now, don't worry. But you should worry on September and October. That's it. So chill, guys.
Okay, thank you for Jay. And yeah, Josephine, do you have any idea? Well, guess who the guy is.
Yeah, I don't actually know his name, but I saw the impact and what he did. But for me, yeah, we should just, it's actually a long held, right? And coming to this period, it was actually a very good position and trading opportunity that he leveraged on. And for me, it's a very big and impactful one, all right? I learned from the skill set of strong traders like that. And it's a great one. It's a great one, guys. I don't have much.
Well, but do you have any risk management strategies? Yeah, you wanna share?
Yeah, for now, I would just say risk what you know you understand on, and also be big on where you know you have more opportunity to leverage the market. All right, I think that's just the major stuff there. All right, don't do more than what you can you understand, and don't do too much in the market. Also, institutional traders sometimes can be wrong, and analysis. We are all just here and we're speculating the market.
Okay, so and in this signal, well, just do you have any idea about maybe wait or exit your positions or hold on?
Right now, for me, it's not actually a sell signal for me. No, no, not at all. It's not a sell signal for me. But I'm just being cautious, okay? Especially for my sport bag, I'm still going to hold for quite some time, and just try to leverage futures opportunity as of the moment in order to be able to add up to my portfolio. That's just it for me.
Okay, thank you for just yeah, it's so interesting because I see some of our audience say yeah, he say he will hold on personally. Yeah. Maybe he is a real believer of Bitcoin. And Priya, do you have any idea? Hello, Priya.
Am I audible?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm not really aware about the person, so I don't have any idea about it. But it's we have to wait because BTC is getting around the world. So most probably Bitcoin is the only coin which is getting pumped so high volatile and everything. But dropping below than 100K is not possible for upcoming months, so it's gonna be stable or more gonna sideways. But this because selling, maybe they'll use a pair, maybe that is also the reason. And just the transfer has happened, right? So selling is not that much of major selling is not possible. But it is a 14 hours of a holding. Maybe they don't need to worry about it. No need to get sell into the Bitcoin. Just wait and watch the
Hey, Priya. Okay, I can hear now. Network issues. Yeah.
Okay. Did you hear me? I have replied the answer.
Okay. Okay, Priya, do you finish your sharing?
Yes, of course.
Okay,
Got
great. Thank you for Priya. And well, maybe I wanna add a question. Well, in this signal, would you watch or wait or hold on?
Um, wait. That is the only thing we can do up to August.
Okay. Okay, thank you for Priya.
Thank.
And last one, let's invite Parasify. It's your time now.
Okay, so you're asking if we have an idea of the particular person or people that moved 80,000 BTC. So I think on the news it was stated that it came from different wallets, like about like 8 different wallets, and each of them were holding about like 10,000 Bitcoin each. So basically, we really might not know the person, but the news stated that it came from different wallets, and each of them were holding 10,000 Bitcoin each. Okay, so when something like this happens, people when it comes to cryptocurrency, any little news, goes a long way in people's mind because it either means that the market is going to be either bullish or bearish. Okay, so a lot of people would be scared. A lot of people would be scared to invest and also scared to, leave their coins. So I'm thinking that most people might just want to sell off. I know once a lot of people are selling off their coins, definitely the price is going to reduce, and that's my prompt other people to also sell off their assets too. So I would say that the best thing to do is wait and read more news when it comes to that particular when it comes to Bitcoin, or when any news about this particular Bitcoin reel comes up, you wait to analyze the market and just I believe that if you're a trader, you should have like a working strategy for you. So you wait and implement your strategy and just see how it goes. But definitely, a lot of people are going to be scared about the news, and it might affect the market positively or negatively. So it's just wait, hold on, and analyze the market properly, and implement the strategy, and then see how it goes.
Okay. Well, thank you for clarifying and thank you for all you guys. Yes, and I bet today's live stream is very important for our audience under this market. Be sure to keep an eye on CoinW and our esteemed guest. Follow the Twitter account as we will continue to share valuable insights on the world of crypto. Stay safe and take care about your sport. Good luck, and overall, I would like to thank everyone for joining this inspiring discussion today. And yeah, thank you for the audience. Yeah, take care and see you next time. Okay, thank you guys. Goodbye.
You guys.
Okay.
Thank you for having us. Thank you. Sorry, Nora, quick one. Are you still here?